Hello friends, there is a question in front of us again relating to past adjustment entry. So here XYZ are the partners, 2 to 1 is their profit sharing ratio, capital balances are given 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh. As per the partnership deed, IOC is to be provided even if there is a loss and it is to be treated as a charge. The profit is given to us 60,000. Before going for the adjustment entry, let's see what case is asking us. The case is saying that IOC at the rate 10%. So here IOC is rupees 40,000. 4 lakh 10% is 40,000. 3 lakhs 10% is 30,000. 2 lakhs 10% is 20,000. So 40,000 is the IOC, 30,000 is the IOC, and 20,000. How much is the total IOC? That is 90,000 payable. But firm is having a profit of rupees 60,000. So that means profits are less than the claim payable over here, that is 90,000 rupees for IOC. But the point to be highlighted here is the question is saying IOC is payable even if firm incurs a loss. That means we need to give this IOC of rupees 90,000 even if the profit is of rupees 60,000 and the firm would made a loss of rupees 30,000. Let's firstly understand this, what question is saying, that if we prepare P&L account, because IOC was a charge, so IOC payable was 40,000, 30,000, 20,000, that should be debited to the P&L account. The total of IOC is 90, but the net profit was of rupees 60,000 only, and so there is a loss incurred by the firm of rupees 30,000. Now their profit sharing ratio was 2 to 1. Here it made a loss, so that would also be distributed in which ratio? 2 to 1. So how we took 30,000 divided by 5. Why 5? 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So we got a value from here 6,000. So 1 multiplied by 6,000 is 6, 2 multiplied by 6,000 is 12, and 2 multiplied by 6,000 is 12,000. So here is our loss. Now as per the question, that this IOC is to be given by making this much of the loss. But in the question, it is given to us, that is posed over here, that in this question, that assuming profit distributed without IOC. So it's a case of adjustment entry where this profit of 60,000 was already taken by the partners at their home without providing for IOC. So in which ratio they took this profit at their home? 60,000 in the ratio 2 to 1. So 60,000 divided by a total here is 5. So it will become 12,000. 12,000 into 2, 24,000. 12,000 into 2, 24,000. What I am saying is this 60,000 would be divided by 5. We got a value of 12,000. Now 12,000 into 2, 24,000. 12,000 into 2, 24,000. 12,000 into 1, 12,000. So X, Y and Z now are becoming debtor of the firm. They have to bring from their home 60,000 total profit for 24,000 by X, 24,000 by Y and 12,000 by Z. Now for new case, we have to credit them for IOC. Now we are giving our partners out of this 60,000 IOC for rupees 40,000, 30,000, 20,000 that we did through adjustment. From that, a loss was also deductible. I have shown you the calculation here that there was an IOC and the loss. So we took this loss 12,000, 12,000 and 6,000. So IOC for X is 40 minus 12, 28,000 is net claim. Here 18,000 is the net claim. Here 14,000 is the net claim. So the total of IOC was 90 and total of loss was 30. So the total here is 60 and here also is 60. So our question is correct. Now we will see the adjustment here. 24,000 is debit for X and 28,000 is credit for X. So how much is to be credited? That is 4,000 credit. Y is debit with 24 and Y is credit with 18,000. So how much more is to be debited now? 6,000 debit for Y and here 2,000 is credit for Z. So what adjustment entry becomes? Y's capital account debit with rupees 6,000 to X capital to Z's capital for 4,000 and 2,000, and the narration is being error rectified. Okay, so this is how this question is to be attempted. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.